How to use MyFitnessPal. So you're literally going to go in and put everything that you are eating. With the egg whites, I use liquid egg whites, so I have to adjust it to cups instead of actual egg whites. When I'm looking for cottage cheese, I'm looking for the actual brand Good Culture. The best way to be accurate is to find the exact brand. Obviously, that's not always possible, but look for the brand or try to input the stuff manually. I kind of eat almost the same thing every day. This is just an example of my normal go-to. Don't forget to track your butters, your oils, anything like that you use in your food. That is how we look at that. You can look at the macros and the nutrients just for this meal. And those are different options there. You can scroll down, look at the fiber, and then that's the calories for breakfast. When you want to make a recipe, this is really helpful if you're a cook like me. I tend to make things over and over again, so I'm going to save this new recipe, protein pancakes. I'm going to put in all my ingredients one by one. Like I said, if I am going to be using a specific brand of protein, for example, I wanted to have the exact nutrients and macros, so look for the brand, don't just pick any. And you're going to put in all of your ingredients, and it's going to actually total the amount and divide it by the amount of servings for you. Not only that, but you're going to be able to save this for later, so the next time you make protein pancakes is already ready. So once I have my ingredients, it tells me it's 83 per pancake. Let's just say I have 2. This would be my macros for the 2 pancakes.